These are the parts that come with the product. As far as tools, you might want to use this some sort of a faucet tool here that I got from Home Depot, or you might not need it. Maybe all you need is the channel lock here and adjustable wrench. I think that's pretty much it. You're gonna need, in my case, I'm gonna use clear silicone here to go underneath this gasket over here, gasket B. This is the manual. You might want to pause here. Pretty straightforward. One, two, three, 4 step. 5, and then check for leak, and that's pretty much. You might want to pause here anyway. So this is the gasket that you could be putting silicone underneath it here. Okay. So I place it on here. I put silicone underneath there. Then I'm gonna put these couple nuts underneath the sink. Hopefully you can see the install that I did underneath there. Pretty simple. I connect the hot and cold lines, and I title the line using an adjustable wrench. Just tied it to, you know, not too tight. Then I tie the nuts, the plastic nuts by hand. Do not tie it with tools. Use your hand to hand tie it. And that's it. And then test for leak. I also removed the filter here on the part here, so it will rinse off any debris, anything like that can damage. And I turn on the water underneath. Let it run for 1 minute. Pretty good. Then go ahead and replace this part back here. And then do a little tail. There you have it. So this is the pop-up piece. I'm gonna be putting some plumber putty underneath here. This is the pop-up over here, the top part, but underneath here, around it. Instead of using their, I guess, thin washer here, I'm gonna be using plumber instead. And then you're gonna insert, you're gonna take this out, this piece out, and then insert in here, and then underneath you're going to be putting these 2 pieces right here to tighten it. Let's do it. As you can see, I have removed this piece over here in the middle here. So so it allows me some room here. Go ahead and put this in here, all the way up here, on the top here. As you can see right there, sorry. Hopefully you can see well. Let me move the light a little bit. Better, right? So let's see. Okay. Put the piece over here, then we're gonna tighten it up. I have to hold this a little bit. almost there. You can just do this by hand. Yeah, that's pretty tight. Not gonna go anywhere. So get rid of some of this over here. It's not gonna go anywhere. Go ahead and put this piece back. First, I'm gonna clean it a little bit. Remove some old tapes. Yeah, I'm gonna be using this tape here. Sorry, this piece should go in here first. All right, so let's do it. So this piece should go in there. We'll go ahead and go in there. Hopefully you can see me. A little bit crooked. Hopefully I can tidy it up. Okay, it's pretty tight. Go ahead and put up here just in case. I'm gonna test for leak. Let's run it over for a few minutes. I'm gonna test the pop-up. So far it's not leaking. Let's see if it's drained properly. And so far it's not leaking down under the sink, which is a good sign. This is how you... So this is much easier to install because it's only have one piece. It doesn't have the old way was it had another piece that underneath that actually when you if you remember there's a I don't know what you call the stick here, the close, the shut off and the turn on the drain here. This piece that's more complicated. This is much easier, only one piece, and you just pop up like that instead of from here. You just pop it like that, and And so far it's not leaking. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you folks on the next video.